Hey guys, it's Josh from Cinco Fit. I wanted to show you the value of getting an InBody scan here at the gym. We have an InBody scan machine at both locations, and you get a free scan every 90 days when you book a 90-day goal review. If you want to get extra scans in between those review sessions, you're welcome to do so, but they're $20 per test. But like I said, you can get a free scan every 90 days. Let me show you why you want to do this. I know a lot of you take your weight on a scale on a pretty regular basis, so you're tracking the total amount of weight in your body. But what's more important is to know what your body is actually composed of. And the InBody scan provides that information. It's very valuable. Let me show you what this gives you. So we have this person's total weight, 128.5, and that comes from three components. The first component is your total body water. That's going to be the largest component, 67 pounds. Then we have dry lean mass. These are the minerals that make up your bones and the proteins that make up your muscles. The dry weight of that would be 24.7 pounds. Then we have body fat mass. This person's 36.6. Okay, and then now, using that information, we can learn more about what's going on in our bodies. So down here we have some bar graphs. And our body fat mass is graphed for us. It goes to 36.6 pounds. Our skeletal muscle mass is 50 pounds. And then our total weight is 128.5. So you see these three indicators at the top. The one in the middle is the healthy range. This range is too low and this range is too high. So we would like to see these bars end right here in the middle. And if you look at this person's bars, they kind of end here, here, and here. And if I were to connect those dots, it kind of makes like a C shape. And so this is the opposite of what I would like to see on an InBody scan. What we're looking for is for the weight and the body fat mass to be more like here, right here at the 100% mark, and for that skeletal muscle mass to extend out beyond those 2 points. So really what we'd like to see is a D shape on this test. That's a person whose weight is healthy, who has a healthy body fat mass, but it also has a healthy amount of muscle mass, which is real important for healthy aging. As we continue, we have our obesity analysis. We have our BMI, which is calculated by your weight in kilograms divided by your height in meters squared. This person's BMI is in the healthy range, but when you look at the body fat percentage, it's a little bit high, and that's the value of the InBody machine. It tells you your actual percent body fat. And we know as we get over this healthy range, which for a woman is 18 to 28%, we know that disease risk goes up. Heart attack, stroke, diabetes, certain types of cancer, and other metabolic diseases. So we want to get this number back down around here. Again, for a woman, it's 18 to 28%. So anywhere in that range is healthy, but an initial target might be to try to shoot for 23%. When we get down to the bottom, you get a score based on the muscle mass in the different parts of your body. And so we're looking for a score of 100%. This person's muscle is a little bit too low in their arms and also in their trunk. The trunk muscles would be the muscles of your chest and your back and your abdominals, your shoulders. So they've got some upper body work to do. Legs are doing okay, almost at 100% on the right leg, almost exactly 100% on the left leg. But again, we know from up here at the top, total muscle mass is a little bit lower than we would like to see. So this person's homework is outlined for them up here in the top. And we see that they need to be gaining about 2.4 pounds of muscle. And if they do that, that will move this bar to exactly right here in the middle at 100%. And then their other homework is to lose 8.6 pounds of body fat. And if they were to do that, then their percent body fat would be right here at 23%. Okay, the other thing that it gives you is your basal metabolic rate. That's the amount of calories that your body needs to sustain life and all of its important functions. So brain function, kidney, liver, heart, digestion, those are the calories that this person needs to execute all of those things. So we can use this as a target for weight loss. I definitely would not ever recommend you consuming fewer calories than that on a regular ongoing basis. But if you're approaching this number, you're getting close to that, then you're probably going to start seeing some progress in the body fat percentage. But we want to make sure too that we're consuming enough calories and particularly enough protein to make sure that we are also gaining muscle and not losing muscle. And then finally at the bottom, we have our body composition history. as you come in for more and more 90-day goal reviews, it will graph your data over time, and so that you can see what kind of progress you are making. So that's it. You really should come in and do this. It'll give you a lot of valuable information, and it will help us to make sure you're on the right track for reaching your fitness goals. Thanks.